Today I'm going to talk about location pages. I got a bunch of city pages here, city web design pages. I need to go through and update a bunch of these that were created years ago. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we're creating with adding a GoHighLevel form to automatically, when leads come through, we'll go into the CRM, and also updating some H1, H2s, and a couple other spots, add some service links just to round out the page to make it a little better. I've seen these things help with being found in AI searches like ChatGPT. So now we're going to go through and start updating the other location pages. All right, so the first one we're going to do here is the Austin web design page. You can see here, we just clicked on this, and we're using the Divi Visual Editor, or Divi Visual Builder. And I've created a couple global items, which means I can just apply it to multiple pages. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to delete the breadcrumbs here and add a new one that I've already saved out. So you can roll your mouse over, click on that, get the green plus, add from the library, and breadcrumb reviews. That'll load up. We're going to drag it to the top of the page here. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You can always do this way too for dragging items. Just grab that, go to the top, go back to the Visual Builder so you can see. So now the breadcrumbs on top of the Google reviews. We're also going to remove the standard form that we had here in WordPress. We're going to delete all this out. Just simplifying it a lot, and then we're adding a GoHighLevel form that will trigger automations and add to the CRM. So I've already created this. We saved it as a module here. Right here, this global one. It's green for global. Going to add that in there. We don't need any of the blue padding and border, so we'll go into the column here in the green section, column number 2, design spacing. We'll reset that. The border, also reset that. Border width, we're going to reset that. We don't need any of that there. Hit the checkbox to save that out. Now we need to switch around the H1, H2. So for this H1, we're going to, or the H2 here, we're going to grab it, drag it to the top. Then we're going to hit the gear icon, change this to an H1, come into the settings, H1, put this down to 46 pixels, and we don't need a caps at all. Let's do regular there. Come into the H2 title, which is an H1, because I just moved stuff around. We're going to put this as an H2. We're going to add top web design. Go to the design, heading text, go to H2. We're going to change the color, and we will leave that as it is. I am noticing some blue padding. Must have missed. Come back in here. Let's see if there was a spot. I forgot to remove the background. Remove the background. Save that. So roll your mouse over the green area. Click the column. We're going to have it be a little more spacing on the side. And now let's look at it mobile. There's probably a few fixes we're going to do. So yeah, the padding's a little off here. So what we want to do is come into here, the section, spacing. We're going to put 20 on both sides there. Sizing. All right, come back to here. Sometimes it's a little weird with saving incorrectly. All right, and the other part, we want to delete this, and we're going to add a new service section that I've already created. Add from the library, and the 10 services. This just adds more links to other service pages, which will help. Can leave that for now. Remove this old 2022 graphic. Just come down here, just delete it. Save that. Also, we're standardizing this. So we're going to delete the reviews and add a global review section. So if we update it once, it'll update it across all pages in the future. Add that section, why people love our websites, our web design services. All right, that's pretty much it for this page. The tricky part is getting this set up correctly with the columns. All right, now we're going to go and apply that to all the other pages. Once that saves, you can exit the Visual Builder and Divi. And then we're going to do the same for Baxter and so forth until we get done with all these pages. That will help with some of our SEO and being found locally. Looks like I might need to fix the padding on that one there so it lines up with the breadcrumbs on the side there. Got a little wide on spacing. All right, hopefully that's helpful. If you like this type of video, like below, comment if you want to see more Divi Visual Builder and WordPress, and working with GoHighLevel software, how you can update your sites and improve the SEO and be found in AI searches.